Hey yo, what's up guys? Okay, so today I'm gonna be heading over to Richfield. Better close that. I'll be heading over to Richfield so that I can go help my buddy change his oil. He drives a 2007 Subaru WRX and it's a Hawkeye. It's pretty nice. It's rally blue. It's definitely one to see. Definitely one I wanted to record. I did make like a couple vlogs on it earlier, but I just never like finished any of the editing or the videos. And at the time I was going through school and I was really like, really stressed out with like homework and stuff, and so I never had time for it. And plus I have a I was working all the time too, and it was just hard. But school's out, it's summer, got a new job, gonna be heading out to Cali soon. Sure you guys have known, I'm probably talking your guys' ear off about that. You guys are probably annoyed. Anywho, let's head to Richfield. Let's freaking get going. So let me just lock my doors here, you know, so that no one can sneak inside. Oops. All right, freaking heck yeah. All right, so I'll be headed over there, and yeah, yeah. All right, see you guys. See you there in a sec. All right, so I'm sorry I had to do this, but where I live, there's a huge mountain that people like to drive down, and if you look, this makes me laugh, but it's a Ford! Ah! It's a Ford! Where I come from, Ford stands for fixed or repaired daily. And if you look, I don't own a Ford. Okay, I backtrack. I did have a Ford Fairmont for a little bit, but that doesn't, it kind of counts, but it doesn't. Because I'm not gonna lie, that was probably one of my most reliable cars that I've ever owned in my life, and I sold it. Do I regret it? I regret selling the Fairmont, yes and no. The yes part is like, it would have been a super cheap sleeper to make. I really do regret like selling it for that reason, just because it's just like I don't know. It's just, I was dumb for not turning it into like a really fast car, but you know, you learn and you live, and that's definitely one of the biggest L's that I ever had to take. But then a whole other reason why I didn't do it is because I want to get into like the Japanese type of things. Like I want to own a 240 at least once in my lifetime. I want to own like a 350Z at least once in my lifetime. Mazda Speed 6. I want to own a Subaru at least once in my life too. Like there's tons of cars that I want to own, and I'm not too sure. But yeah, so yeah. Anywho, I'll let you guys know when we get back to Richfield. Alright guys, so now we're back, we're in Richfield at my buddy's house, and he doesn't have a jack, so I gotta go digging for mine. So, just one sec. Yeah, these are all my school books, you know. Some random extension cord and all that fun stuff. Oops. Oh, I'm talking on the video, dude. Okay, let's see the jack. Oh, money. Okay. All right. Ooh. Oh yeah, hey dude, you got my senior hoodie?
Yeah, I think it's in the room.
Oh, sweet. Because I can wear that. Because I forgot a hoodie. Wait, did I? No, I got a hoodie. I got it. Okay. All right, now I got to throw all this stuff back in. Let's see, so everything is on that side. So I got this new tripod thing, and that's what I'm using right now. This thing is so sick. Look. Boom. I love it because it's like I don't know, it's just beautiful. Okay, so let's see, where do I start? Okay, let me get everything set up and then I'll come back. Okay, later. Yeah, it's all good. All right, so we're out here at Walmart right now. Got my senior hoodie on from last year that I lost for about a year now. Finally got it back.
Back in my car.
Yeah, so now we're just going to Walmart to buy an oil pan. See how many people we can get to look at us funny too. Alright, dude. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time vlogging in a store, like legit.
Are you doing like the whole thing?
Yeah, I'm doing the whole thing. I just want to let's just find like a regular container.
You want to go to
like a dog bowl?
Like a small one though?
Dude, actually, yeah, this would work.
That's rubber too.
Dude, heck yeah.
It's like perfect.
Let's do it.
Screw dogs.
Fucking send it, right? Alright, here we go.
Send it.
Dude, I bought a longboard.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't need a longboard. I have a car.
Okay, that is true. I don't
I'd
have
rather
any.
BMX too.
I'm still on my feet. A BMX?
Yeah, you have a car.
I'm just building it. That's all it is. Yeah, I want to learn how to BMX too. That'd be so cool. When I'm in Cali, I want to learn how to skate. Like go to the skate park and stuff and just start learning from the ground up.
It's hard.
It's
way hard.
Really?
Oh.
I'm willing to try it though. I've always wanted to.
I think BMXing is way easier to learn. That's why I stuck with BMXing.
That makes sense.
Because skateboarding is just so much more that can go wrong. Because all you're just on a board with wheels.
True.
So I mean,
All right,
it's way worse.
dude. I've never used this thing before. Whoa! Okay.
Key in the item's code.
All right, let's do this again. So we're back at Riley's Subaru. Yeah, that toolbox it's got a lot of things inside of it. It's got a lot more than what it needs too. Here, I'm gonna pop your hood, okay? Ouch. Where's your hood thingy? Oh, it's right there.
Do you think this jack's gonna be enough?
Should for what we're doing.
Smoke break. Yeah, see? Look at all that white crap. So I'm pretty sure it's my radiator.
Yeah.
That's all coolant, all of it.
Yeah. Could it?
Because it's not my head gasket, I know that.
Okay.
Because I'm not puffing white smoke. Haven't been since I bought it. So it's not the head gasket.
I don't know, dude.
So it's either the tubing on the bottom, because this
Could it have ripped?
This isn't swelling, so it's not this one. It's not the thermostat. So it's either the radiator or piping or tubing down on the bottom.
That's probably what it is.
But if
it's on the top though. That's the thing.
Well, yeah.
Like,
if the radiator's busted, it'll come out of the overflow, which is what it does.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense. All right. Well, let's get started.
Oh, and while you're here, would you mind helping me with my heat shield too?
Sure.
It's like you just gotta take it. We have to take this off and then take off the blow-off valve, and then just put it on. It's not that big of a deal, but
Yeah.
I don't have the tools.
Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing is taking off the oil pan bolt so that we can drain the motor and the oil. No, drain the oil, not the motor. I guess, I don't know, screw it. Hey, but here we are. I don't know if you guys can, sorry if it's like all skalonkus right now. Sideways too, but so the oil pan bolt, if I can get under a little bit better. Oil pan bolt is right here. It's a size 17 millimeters. So that's what I'll be taking off at the moment. And yeah, so yeah. got Riley over here taking off his blow-off valve. And well, mostly Riley. Riley's mostly just working on taking off the intercooler. We're gonna be putting on a heat shield back on, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're working on.
That's why my boost is fluctuating. Because you know my intercooler.
It is?
Yeah. I forgot Turbo Lab told me, so I'm gonna put it back on. Because I'm supposed to be making 16 pounds and I'm only making 13.
Okay.
Like when my car's cold, I make 13 or 16. And then when it gets hot, it's this.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and you want colder air.
Oh shit! Wait, see if you can get that.
Here, let me help you out. Try this. Is that a half?
It's a 12.
So you'll try half. That says half, buddy. I'm pretty sure yours is.
Mine's a 12.
Oh, just kidding. Never mind. I'm dumb. Here, I'll hold that. I don't want to break it.
Look at him go.
Oh gosh.
They're on there.
Yeah, they're on there freaking crazy tight.
There we go.
There we are. And get it.
So you can just unscrew it there.
Screw it like this. Ah, dude, my hands are still so oily. Jesus Christ.
I can get it.
I want to get it. Okay, I quit. You can get it. Okay, let me go put that oil thingy back on. That oil plug. Alright, and here's the oil plug. Now we just put her back on and yeah. Oil drain pan plugs, you don't want to tighten them too tight because if you do, you have a chance of stripping it out, and when you strip it out, it creates oil leaks and it's just bad news from there. And usually to fix those, you gotta drill and completely tap a whole new hole and all that fun stuff, or even make the hole bigger. I don't know, whatever you prefer. But yeah, we should get a front mount intercooler.
When I get a job.
When I get it, okay. Let's totally, yeah, we'll work on that. And then, I already, like, it's not even, you wanna know what I hate? Whenever I like see a really nice car or know somebody with a nice car that I know that I want, I start making plans for them. Like, I'll be like, dude, you should get white, okay, no. Okay guys, imagine this. So all of my Navajo, yes I do, I have a crap ton in the top. So I might be lost though, I lost a crap ton in my shop. Anywho, okay, so going back, okay, so you see this blue Subaru? It's beautiful blue, you know? In my opinion, if this was my car, the first thing I would do is get new blue lugs. But other than that, the blue lugs are still pretty sick. But white TE37s. So, I actually have my little keychain right here. So, let's see. I don't know if this will work. Let's see. Okay, like, can you guys like, I don't know, like, can you guys imagine some white TE30? Oh, right there. Wait one sec. Some white TE37s. In my opinion, those would be the coolest thing ever. All right, guys, we got the intercooler off. Was a little bit struggling, but honestly, you just take off the blow-off valve right here. Take off the front piping. Got to make sure you grab the bottom piping, and then one bolt there and one bolt over there, and it's outie. And that's what it looks like without an intercooler on the top.
Ugly as fuck.
It creates a lot more engine space though, so it'd be a lot nicer to have a front mount intercooler. That'd be so sick. Like, just imagine, you know, seeing something right there saying like low cows or something. Just kidding.
Okay, so
Anywho, what's up?
Hey guys, welcome to
You watch this.
Speed
Since you were
install
more.
video.
Alright, so right now we're trying to install his Grim Speed heat shield. And I'm going to set you guys up right here so you guys can watch us.
I don't remember how it goes on though. That's the thing. But it was like that, right?
Let me see. Watch the... Alright guys, we're back. We put the intercooler back on and everything. We couldn't get the heat shield on because we did not have the correct bracket. So we're gonna have to find the bracket or either just buy a brand new one.
Jorgen doesn't have his heat shield on his, so I could probably see if he'll give me his.
Yeah, you could ask him. Not too sure.
Because he doesn't even use his heat shield.
Yeah. So now we got the oil filter changed, and now we're just gonna be putting the oil back in. Alright, dude, you got this. I trust you. Royal purple. Look at that purple goodness. Reminds me of purple nurples. Just kidding.
Soupy's like oil. Nom nom nom.
I know, he just...
See, what's that?
How much do you got left? Keep
About
going.
2.5 quarts. Go. Go to 2.
Yeah, go to 2. Go to 2 quarts.
A little more.
Okay.
That's close enough, don't you think?
I'll try it. Check your oil.
Don't you have to let it sit for like 20 minutes?
Not necessarily. It'll run down.
It is purple.
It's purple. Yeah, it is. Yeah. You didn't know that?
No.
Royal purple
was
is
black.
legit purple. No, they really are. They're legit purple oil. It's so cool. Put that bad boy right there.
See how dry it was?
Yeah.
Still not
Can't
gonna
even see it. So, keep going. Keep going.
Let's go. Got about 1.5 left, so I'm gonna leave it at that.
Okay. All right, so we got the oil filled up and everything, and so now we're gonna start it. Okay, go for it, man. Ooh. Freaking love that boxer sound. There's nothing like it. Okay, like granted, there's the big V8s and all that, but there's nothing like a good old 4-banger Subaru boxer. Sounds so good. Here, I'm gonna put you guys right there. Maybe not.
What?
I thought you were gonna rev it up and all that.
Oh, I can.
Okay. All right, let's try that again. It sounds so beautiful. I love it. Hopefully I can cop me one of them. I don't know, we'll see. I got a lot of cars that I want to cop. What was that?
It goes in packs.
Yeah, dude. Oh,
You get all your tools.
Yeah,
Make
so
sure
far.
there's no bolts up here because I forgot bolts up here before. Okay, I forgot to put some on.
Okay, let's see. 11. I got a lot of tools missing. This is why you don't. This is why you don't take your toolbox to a college. I did that, and I learned the hard way that you never get your tools back. I am missing a ton of things. I am missing a 10mm. Of course, that's always missing though. It's okay, I got an extra right here. That's an 11. That's a 10. I'm missing a 10, 11, 12, 13, 9 16, 3 4, 7 16, 15, 13, and a 10. And then down here, I'm missing another 3 4, extension. And up here, number 7 and number 11, and then also a baby extension and my screwdriver. Yeah, it's just bad news. Don't ever take your toolbox. Unless if you're really good and anal about people borrowing your tools, then go for it, all means. Anywho, well, we're gonna clean up, gonna call that a day. And just remember that your current situation is not your final destination, and you guys keep it real.
Words to live by, my friend.
Heck yeah. So I'll see you guys next video. Peace out, guys.